Welcome to Mars English Pronunciation in American Accent, Course 1, Part 1, The Different Sounds of the Vowels E and I. Here we're looking at the different sounds of the vowels E and I. There are 4 sounds that are common to both of them. The long E sound, the short I sound, the schwa plus R, and the schwa. Each sound or each vowel has one sound that's unique to itself. The vowel E has a short E sound, and the vowel I has a long I sound. The first 3 sounds that we're going to study are the short E sound, the long E sound, and the short I sound. You've heard of them when you took our first vowel assessment. Today I'm going to show you how to make them exactly, with the proper placement of the articulators, your tongue, your teeth, your lips, and your jaw. Here we have our first 3 sounds side by side, the long E, the short I, and the short E. The long E sound sounds like this, E, E. It's a tense vowel sound, meaning there's tension. You stretch your lips, E, and your teeth are almost together, so they're very close. There's a very tiny gap between the teeth. This is also a long vowel sound, so you make the sound longer. E, seat, seat. The vowel or the short I sound is a different sound, and it's a shorter sound, and it's a more relaxed sound. So there's no effort, there's no tension. You don't need to stretch your lips. A common mistake that non-native speakers make when making the short I sound is using the long E sound like in seat and making it shorter. So from seat to sit, but that's not accurate. The short I sound is a different sound from the long E sound. It's not a shorter version of the long E sound. It's actually a very different sound, a more relaxed and a very short sound. E, se, sit. It's not seat, seat. So for the long E, we have our example is S-E-A-T, seat, seat, S-I-T, it has a short I sound, E, se, sit, seat, sit. Now let's look at our third sound, and it's the short E sound. Now this one has a jaw drop. This here, you drop your jaw slightly. E, e. It's the letter E in the word egg, se, set, se, set. It's also a relaxed vowel sound and a short vowel sound. So let's do the 3 together. Seat, sit, set. So the difference between short I and short E is with short I, there's no jaw drop. You don't drop your jaw. You just push the air out, make that wider gap between the teeth. Your bottom lip might drop a little down, just very slightly, and then you just push the air out. E, se, set. Now for the short E, se, set, sit, set, sit, set. The first one is seat. This one is tense. Seat, sit, set. And then we can keep going. For another example for the long E, did, short I, did, dead. So for that long E sound, you stretch your lips. It's a long sound. Did, short I, did, did. And then short E, dead, dead. Did, did, dead. And then we just keep going. Lead, lid, led. Just watch the difference in the shape of the lips. So E, 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 E. And then next examples. Meet, same pronunciation for the word M-E-A-T. Meet, mitt, like a baseball mitt. And met. Again, meet, mitt, met. The next line. Heel, heel, hill, hell. Again, heel, hill, hell. Next line. Feel, fill, fell. Last line. Teeth, teen, tin, ten. So let's do that again. Seat, sit, set. Deed, did, dead. Lead, lid, led. Meet, mit, met. Heel, hill, hell. Feel, fill, fell. Teen, tin, ten. Let's look at more examples for the long E sound. E, feet. We have previous, complete, feet, succeed, recent, easy, achieve, believe, conceit, gallery, only, and broccoli. For the short I sound, it, we have drink, chicken, fit, typical, year, clear, fierce, engineer, image, message, guilt, and busy. For the short E sound, egg, we have get, connect, essential, many, necessary, compare, health, ready, dairy, airport, again, an air. There's a list of 300 and plus words for each of the vowel sounds above that you can download. Just go to marseslschool.com for more information.